In this video, I'm going to show you that there is an error when we try to get the last name from a full name and it has a middle name. If we're using this index split formula combination and we're using the second column, we're going to just get the middle name. So how do you get the last name when there are middle names with this index split? We can do this semi-manually. If we see a middle name, we can change this to 3. We can change this one to 3 as well, but all the other ones are 2. Well, that isn't very good. We want to do this programmatically, or rather automatically, and we want to change this 3 when there are 3 items, and we want to change it to 2 when there are 2 items. So what we're going to do is, instead of the number 3 or the number 2, we're going to put a count A formula here, and we're going to use the exact same formula we use for split here. So we're going to split A2, comma, with a space in quotes, and we're going to do true, true as well. Add another parentheses at the end, and now this will automatically get the last name no matter how many names are in the full name. If you like this and you want more tricks, tips, and how-tos in Google Sheets, subscribe here on YouTube or become a member over at bettersheets.co.